Hello friends, welcome to my channel.
In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to put the channel banner correctly, which is a question that many YouTubers have. Let's go to the video. Okay, we are using Canva site for this. We can easily make a design through this. Okay, first click on the Create Design on the right side and then click on YouTube Banner. First, open a box and adjust its length like this after that. Adjust the length and width from other boxes and place it slightly on the big box. Change the color of one box for ease of finding. Now draw a line like this and place it in the lines of these boxes. Then delete only the two boxes.
Nice.
You have to make the banner inside the line you see, so you can make the banner inside it as you want. After making your design in this, delete the lines we have given in this way. Well, you can add background to this. Now we have finished creating the channel banner, then go to the Share here and download it. Now you can upload this banner to your channel. Here you can see how the banner we made has now fallen into the channel.